So today we're going to be installing this pit visit drift button. Got it off Amazon. It was 10 bucks. It's going to be the first mod I do for the FRS drift car. Super duper cheap. I noticed on the first event when I was pulling the handbrake, sometimes I wasn't releasing it all the way down, which isn't the end of the world, but this is going to make life easier. It's supposed to be fairly easy. I'm going to install it right now, so hopefully it works. I'm going to leave a link down in the description if you're interested. It's only 10 bucks and it's on Amazon Prime, so 2-day shipping if you have Amazon. So let's go install this thing. Alright, you can see I got the stock handbrake here. My little button's actually kind of ate up already. It was like that when I bought the car, so I don't know. Anyways, you're supposed to unscrew this, and then there's a spring in here. You take the spring out, then you screw this back in place, and then you pretty much, this little lip allows it not to recess all the way inside of the handbrake. And then whenever you park, you just push this out, kind of like the spring, to lock it in place. And whenever you're drifting, you just push it all the way in, and it stays all the way in. That way you can just yank the handbrake and not have to worry about pushing a button. So let's see if this actually works. I already kind of loosened this up before the video started, so I wouldn't have to use any pliers or anything. But yeah, so I'm gonna unscrew this real quick. Hopefully. Maybe. Bear with me. Alright. Alright, we got that off. So there is a spring in there. I wasn't prepared for this. I didn't bring any tools. Let's see if I can get this out with my keys. Alright. There's the spring. Take that bad boy out. And then put this back in place. It fits. And it threads. Sweet. Not too bad for 10 bucks. So let's see how this thing works once it's threaded all the way in. Alright. Thread this in some more. Yeah, that's not good. You can see this button is hitting the rubber and locking up, unless there's another spring in there that I don't know about. Well, that was a fail. Yeah. Let's see if there's something else inside of there. I don't think so. Maybe I had it backwards. Yeah. It's working now. I guess when I thread it in all the way, it holds it for some weird reason. All right. So don't thread it in all the way. If you thread it in all the way, I guess it makes it where it sticks. But as you see now, it's working perfectly fine. Yank up on it. Do some mad skids. Sweet. All right. That easy.